Are you struggling to find the best way to pass the PMP certification on your first try? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll break down the most effective, proven strategies to ensure you not only pass but ace your PMP exam. Stay tuned for expert tips, real-life examples, and a step-by-step guide to getting your PMP certification. The PMP exam is known for its comprehensive content and tough questions, but with the right approach, you can pass it on your first attempt. Let's break down everything you need to know to successfully conquer the PMP exam, from study strategies to understanding the key resources. Before we go forward, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Now let's start. Step 1 is to develop a study strategy. The first thing you need to do is create a study plan. Think of it like managing your own project. You're the project manager. Create a clear roadmap of how you're going to prepare. A well-structured study plan helps you stay on track, especially when you have work, family, and other commitments to balance. For example, here's a simple study plan. Start by reading 60 to 90 minutes a day from the PMBOK guide. After that, do a mock exam or practice questions to check how you're doing. Each week, adjust your study plan based on where you need improvement. Step 2 is study duration. How much time do you need? Now, let's talk about how long you should study. While there's no one-size-fits-all answer, most successful PMP candidates recommend studying for 2 to 3 months. The more time you dedicate, the more comfortable you'll be with the exam content. Here is a tip: break down your syllabus into small chunks and assign each chunk to a week. For example, you might study risk management for 1 week and then dive into the procurement process the next. This will make things less overwhelming and help you stay on track. Step 3 is dive into the PMBOK guide. Now, let's talk about the PMBOK guide. This guide is your Bible for the PMP exam, so make sure to get the latest edition. Many candidates think they can skip this, but trust us, that's a mistake. Spend time on each of the knowledge areas. These are the core subjects tested in the exam. Don't rush through it, really understand the content. Read it at least twice, and break down the concepts into simpler terms if necessary. For example, let's say you're studying time management. Don't just memorize the processes, think about how they apply in real project management scenarios. This approach will help you understand and retain the information. Step 4 is supplement with additional study resources. While the PMBOK guide is essential, it's just the beginning. You'll need additional study materials, especially for scenario-based questions. A lot of PMP questions ask you to apply your knowledge to real-world situations, so having practical examples and explanations is key. Here is our recommendation: use online resources like mock exams, study guides, and PMP prep books. These will give you the practical edge you need to tackle complex questions. At Agilemania website you will get mock exams that mimic the real test. These exams are timed, helping you get used to the pressure of answering 180 questions in 230 minutes. The link is in the description. Step 5 is use your 35 contact hours effectively. To qualify for the PMP exam, you need 35 hours of project management education. Don't just treat this as a box to check, make it count. Choose a PMI authorized training provider, ATP, that offers comprehensive training aligned with the exam content outlined. Here is a tip: take these hours seriously. Use them as an opportunity to really dive deep into the exam topics. Choose a course that not only covers the content but also helps you apply the concepts in practical ways. Step 6 is practice with mock tests. Mock exams are your best friend. They'll give you a feel for the real exam environment and help you manage time effectively. Try to simulate the actual test conditions, no distractions, and try to complete the 180 questions in 230 minutes. This helps you get familiar with the format and identify areas that need more work. Recreate exam conditions, timed, with no distractions, and treat it as a real test. Step 7 is master PMP formulas and IDOs. One key challenge in the PMP exam is mastering the inputs, tools, techniques, and outputs, IDOs, for each process. While you might be tempted to memorize ITTO facts, passing the exam requires a deeper understanding. Focus on grasping why each process is used, its purpose, and how the IDOs interact with each other. Understanding these relationships is far more crucial than just memorizing details. This approach will better prepare you for ITTO-related questions and help you manage project processes more effectively. Step 8. Know your processes and documents. The PMBOK guide outlines 5 process groups, 49 processes, and 10 knowledge areas. Focus on understanding the project management process group and knowledge area mapping matrix. Familiarize yourself with key documents from the initiating and planning stages. Practice answering situational questions to identify critical details, and review charts, graphs, and ITOs, inputs, tools, techniques, outputs, for a solid grasp of the exam content. Step 9. Memorize PMP formulas. The PMP exam includes around 50 key formulas, from simple averages to complex probabilities. Focus on understanding and practicing them to improve speed and accuracy. On exam day, jot down essential formulas on your paper or digital whiteboard to reduce stress and save time. Use memorization quiz sheets during preparation to build confidence and tackle formula-based questions effectively. Step 10. Get ready for the PMP exam. Feeling nervous is normal, but don't let it overwhelm you. Focus on mastering the material to boost your confidence. Prepare for exam day by practicing under similar conditions and planning your time effectively. Expect a mix of easy and tough questions, and stay calm no matter what. The PMP exam is conducted by Pearson VUE, with in-person or online options via their VUE platform. Familiarize yourself with the rules and setup, including amenities like noise-canceling headphones or lockers, to avoid surprises on the big day. That's a wrap on how to pass your PMP certification exam. By following these steps, developing a solid study plan, and practicing regularly, you'll set yourself up for success. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more project management tips. And here's your unique challenge. Comment below with your study strategy and any tips that worked for you. Share your experience, and let's help each other pass the PMP exam. Good luck!